This is QMines, and we're creating Australia's next mid-tier copper and gold producer right here in Queensland.
QMines' story is one of unyielding focus on a single mission: to build our resource through continued exploration and create a solid foundation for a long-life copper mine operation located in Rockhampton, for the benefit of our shareholders and the community which we operate within. QMines' approach has led to 7 successive resource upgrades on our tenure in 4 years. And we're drilling every day to add to our resource base and improve confidence in our extensive established resources.
At QMines, we're scaling with intent. Through acquisitions like Mount Mackenzie and Devlin Creek, we're building a regional hub and spoke operation to deliver scale faster than traditional timelines. By uniting multiple high-quality deposits under one central hub, we unlock economies of scale, boost throughput, and accelerate our path to mid-tier copper and gold production, creating lasting value for our shareholders and the local community.
We're approaching new discoveries on our tenements in a methodical manner, maintaining a high degree of detail in early stage prospecting work, which will ultimately feed through to informing drill targets down the track. At Mount Mackenzie, our model-driven methodology will allow us to expedite our exploration programs and hone in on our most prospective areas as quickly as possible. We're actively investigating multiple work streams to fast-track the development of this project, including base-level metallurgy and geotechnical studies. We are undertaking diamond drilling to gain key insights into structural controls on mineralisation at Devlin Creek, which is fast becoming a key pillar of our future mining operations.
We're in a unique position here in Rockhampton and believe the benefits of having an operation here are numerous for both the company and our people who live and work here. With such an endowment of infrastructure around the town, including large gauge rail, the Port of Gladstone, the Rockhampton Airport and low-cost base load grid power at Stanwell, QMines is in a great position to deliver a sustainable, long-life copper operation that will be resilient through the commodity cycles. We're executing every day at QMines, building the resources, the plan and the team to deliver Queensland's next copper and gold mining opportunity.